If your baby goats look weak, have a bloated stomach, or slow growth, it could be a sign of internal worms. You should give the first deworming dose when the kid is around 15 to 20 days old. After that, repeat deworming every 1 to 2 months to keep them healthy. For treatment, you can use medicines like albendazole or ivermectin, but always consult a veterinary doctor first. Make sure to give the correct dose according to the goat's weight, because too much or too little can be harmful. Also, keep their water and living area clean to prevent worms.